Welcome to the Citra21Channel, your gateway for exciting and engaging content. Join us for an exciting journey. Subscribe for the latest video release. Today, we embark on a fascinating exploration of the world of freelance writing, a realm where creativity meets commerce, and your words can translate into earnings. Imagine the freedom of crafting compelling narratives, engaging articles, and persuasive copy, all while sipping coffee from your favorite mug, nestled comfortably in your own home. Envision the flexibility of setting your own schedule, choosing your projects, and deciding your rates. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality for many who've chosen the path of freelance writing. In the age of the internet, countless opportunities await those who can wield words with finesse and flair. Whether you're an established wordsmith or someone with a passion for prose, freelance writing provides a lucrative avenue to make money online. Freelance writing could be the perfect opportunity for you. Freelance writing. Many blogs, websites, and publications are looking for talented writers to create content for them. This is where you come in. The world of freelance writing is vast and varied, encompassing a myriad of content types and styles. With the right skills and a dash of creativity, you can tap into these opportunities and carve a niche for yourself. Let's delve into the scope of freelance writing. It's not just about writing articles or blog posts, although these are certainly popular options. You could be crafting engaging social media posts, penning insightful opinion pieces, or even developing compelling website copy. The beauty of freelance writing lies in its versatility. It's a field where your creativity can truly run free. Consider article writing. It's about more than just putting words to paper. It's about researching your topic thoroughly, understanding your audience, and presenting your information in a clear and engaging manner. It's about creating content that informs, entertains, and perhaps even inspires. Or think about blog posts. They offer a more laid-back and personal style, allowing you to connect with your readers on a deeper level. It's about sharing experiences, opinions, and ideas. It's about creating a space for discussion, a community of like-minded individuals. And let's not forget website copy. This is where you can truly flex your persuasive skills. It's about crafting content that not only informs, but also entices. It's about convincing your audience to take action, whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or simply clicking on a link. Of course, these are just a few examples. The scope of freelance writing extends far beyond these categories. From press releases to product descriptions, from ebooks to email newsletters, the possibilities are endless. Remember, as a freelance writer, you're not just selling your writing. You're selling your ideas, your creativity, and your ability to engage and persuade. The more you write, the more money you can make. So, don't limit yourself. Explore the vast landscape of freelance writing and find your niche. After all, variety is the spice of life, and in the world of freelance writing, it's also the key to success. To get started, you'll need to showcase your writing skills. Create a portfolio of your work to show potential clients. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly is a portfolio? Well, a portfolio is a curated collection of your best work. It is a tangible proof of your writing ability, style, and versatility. And the best part? It's not as complicated to create as it may seem. To begin with, gather samples of your writing. These can be blog posts, articles, essays, or any other written content that you are proud of. If you're just starting out and don't have any published work, don't worry. You can create fresh samples specifically for your portfolio. The key is to ensure that your work reflects your unique voice and the range of your writing skills. Next, organize your work in a way that is easy to navigate. You could categorize it by genre, topic, or type of content. Remember, potential clients will likely skim through your portfolio, so make sure it's easy for them to find what they're looking for. Once you have your portfolio ready, it's time to showcase it to the world. You could build a personal website or use portfolio platforms available online. Don't forget to update your portfolio regularly with your most recent and impressive work. Now that we've covered portfolios, let's talk about finding freelance work. There are many places writers can find freelance jobs. Online platforms like Upwork or Fiverr are a good place to start. These platforms connect freelancers with clients who need their services. You can also reach out to blogs, magazines, or companies directly. Many are constantly on the lookout for fresh content and new perspectives. Remember, success in freelance writing doesn't come overnight. It requires persistence, dedication, and a continuous effort to improve your craft. But with a strong portfolio and a keen eye for opportunities, you can start earning money through your writing. The world of freelance writing is exciting and full of potential, so why wait? Dive right in and start your journey today. Freelance writing is a flexible way to earn money online, but it takes dedication and hard work. Now, let's delve into some tips to help you succeed in this field. Firstly, it's essential to set your rates. Know your worth and don't settle for less. Whether you charge by the hour or by the project, have a clear understanding of how much your time and skills are worth. Research what other freelancers in your field are charging and base your rates on your experience, skills, and the complexity of the work. Next, let's talk about pitching. It's not enough to be a great writer. You need to convince clients that you're the right person for their project. Create a compelling pitch that showcases your understanding of the client's needs, your unique approach to the project, and examples of your previous work that demonstrate your ability to deliver high-quality content. Remember, you're not just selling your writing, you're selling a solution to the client's problem. Another crucial aspect of freelance writing is maintaining a regular writing schedule. Writing is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Set aside dedicated writing hours each day and stick to them. This not only improves your writing skills, but also helps you meet deadlines and manage multiple projects effectively. Finally, never stop learning. Whether it's mastering a new writing style, learning about a new industry, or keeping up with the latest SEO practices, continuously improving your skills will keep you competitive. And remember, rejection is part of the process. Don't let a no discourage you. Use it as an opportunity to learn, improve, and come back stronger. Freelance writing can be a rewarding career, offering flexibility, independence, and the opportunity to do what you love. With dedication and hard work, you can turn freelance writing into a successful career. So, are you ready to start your journey as a freelance writer and make money online? As we've discussed, freelance writing offers an incredible opportunity to earn a living from the comfort of your own home. It's a field rich with possibilities, and it's waiting for you to dive in. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane and remember the main points we've highlighted today. We've learned that the scope of freelance writing is vast. With a plethora of blogs, websites, and publications constantly on the hunt for fresh content, your skills are in high demand. We've also explored the initial steps on your path to becoming a freelance writer. Remember, it all starts with showcasing your talent. A well-curated portfolio can be your golden ticket into this exciting world. Don't be shy about reaching out to potential clients or utilizing freelance platforms to find writing gigs. We've shared some tips for success, from setting your rates to pitching ideas. The more you write, the more opportunities you'll encounter. And remember, persistence is key. Success may not come overnight, but with dedication and hard work, you can turn freelance writing into a thriving career. With these insights, you're now equipped to embark on your freelance writing journey. But don't stop here. Continue to learn, continue to grow, and most importantly, continue to write. It's through action that dreams come to life. So, what are you waiting for? The world of freelance writing is at your fingertips. It's time to seize the moment, take the leap, and start making money online. As you embark on this exciting journey, remember, we're here to support you every step of the way. For more insightful content and tips on making money online, stay connected with us. Don't forget to subscribe and share while still free for the public. Thanks for watching the Citra21 channel.